Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So 10,000 subscribers. You know what, I can't thank you all enough. It's blown me away. Never thought I'd get to 1,000, never mind 10,000. And you know what, I don't take anything for granted, but thank you all for watching, subscribing, the comments, the likes, it all helps to spread. So just like and comment on the videos. If you like the videos, subscribe to the channel. It's as simple as that. It's absolutely free, and you know what, I really appreciate it. My kids got dead excited because we were watching it clock up, as you'll have seen at the beginning of the video. We were watching clock up and going, right, we're nearly there, 9999. Then it went to 10,000, the kids are made up. And we're going, let's try and get to 100,000 and get the YouTube play button. So I'll try for them. It's, you know, the kids have been made up to get that play button hung up in the room, because one day this channel's going to be theirs. I've built the base for it now, and I'm not going to do this forever. And you know, what am I, 46 now, 47 this year? Am I going to do forever? Probably not. So it'll be handed down to them at some point to do something that they want to do, because they're kids, they got fresh ideas. So yeah, it'll be handed to them at some point. So the play button is for them if I ever get there. 100,000 subscribers I need to get to the play button. So if you like the channel, you never know, press subscribe, comment, like, let other people see it. You press subscribe and I might get there. You never know, the kids have been made up. Anyway, enough about that. I've nearly 2 minutes that went on for, but I'm just made up to have got there. You know, I'm just happy about it. Right, so people want to see more of the outside, so that's why I'm zoomed in on these windows. Now, am I right in thinking that is this red window, or is that a red film on a window? It's going to be a kind of red anyway, but not quite that red. Let me know, because I'm not sure. I'm going to move around this side. And have a little zoom on the brickwork now. And then I'll be inside, because I know quite a lot's going on inside. People sent me photos and videos and everything on Instagram, which is on the screen now if you want to contact me on Instagram, which a lot have. See, that's come right up now. That scaffold will be ready for getting removed soon now. Okay, let's get round and have a look at the cladding on the side. Then I'll go inside, then I'll go round the other side then, because I covered quite a lot of the other side yesterday. Yeah, there's more cladding going up there. Just keeping an eye on the zone, and yeah, I'm fine. A nice pan around there. So you can see, if you look at the main stands, it's matching. The Anfield Road stands matching the main stands. So you got that and that. Okay. But yeah, that's coming up even more now. There's a third window appearing. Loads of people asking for mentions and shout outs. I'm going to do them as the days go on, because at the moment it is still going to be dailies at the moment, because there's quite a lot going on. So I'm going to go inside the ground now. There's a cherry, you know what, let me see what this cherry picker's doing here actually. Just put it in fast mode again to get around there fast. Actually it's a scissor lift. There's a cherry picker as well, but we know that they're concentrating on the cladding mainly. So let's see what he's doing. Is he cleaning the walls? We are. Walls are being cleaned, that people were very concerned about, and that's good to see going on. Yeah, I was saying, so let's have a look at him for a second while I mention this. So people asking for mentions and shout outs, and as I already said, I'm going to do these daily still, because there's quite a lot going on change wise. As you know, if it didn't come today I wouldn't have seen this fella doing this, and it might only take a day to do. So I'm going to do them periodically. I've got a couple to do over the next few days, as I might do 2 or 3 a day, but I'm going to do one today and I'm going to do one tomorrow, then I might do a couple a day, like a few a day then. I just don't want me video covered in mentions, that's all. So the first one today is going to be for Scouser 1969. He's been asking me for weeks, so yeah, there's your shout, mate. Okay, you comment all the time, you know, you give me a lot of support, so thank you, I really appreciate it, and there's a little mention for you. Okay, right, so I'll, you know, might as well have a look at what he's doing while I'm here, and then go inside, because I know quite a lot's going on inside. So yeah, the cladding underneath there, you can actually hear the drill going in. So yeah, it's just getting tidied up. It's, you know, it's something that you wouldn't really notice if it wasn't there, but it looks better that it is there. Okay, so that's the cladding underneath there going in. Right, so let's get up high and towards the cop, and then have a look back at the stand. Let's get a good 90 meters in the air. There we go. It's a bit chilly again today, by the way, as well. I want the sun back, believe it or not. It's warmer. Oh wow, look at this. It's weird the way they're taking them out like that. You think they just go, because they don't take one, miss one, take one, miss one type of thing. It's got a good nose inside there. Look at that. That's unreal. It's just nearly swarthing. So that is the, it's got to be the concourse. Is it the concourse? Maybe not. No, it won't be, will it? What is it? I thought it was tight under there, so it possibly could be the concourse. And another thing I want to mention as well, a lot of people have mentioned this, the numbers on the back wall, which they do correlate, I'll give you that, but I thought, right, here's what I thought it was originally. It might just be a coincidence. So you see where the numbers are, see just above the numbers, that's where the roof was cut off originally, because them numbers were already there, when the roof was getting cut off. So I think it just, but it also matches where the cuts are in the stands. See, I think it starts at number 6. So people are saying it's 20 sections. It's not. So that's number 8 there. That's number 7. So yeah, it starts at number 7 for some reason, and I don't know why, and goes all the way up to 20, doesn't it? Sorry for going fast, guys. Yeah, it goes all the way to number 20, but for number 7, so it's not 20 sections because it doesn't start at number 1. There we go. So unfortunately I've missed these getting removed. Well, let's have a look on the ground, see if they're on the ground. Okay. There we go. So there's only one there that I can see on the ground. Don't know if they're being dismantled, broken up. See, this is obviously some of it here, but yeah, they've been broken up there. Now, what I didn't know, now correct me if I'm wrong here, because I know I'm not right. I'm probably only right about 5% of the time. I've sat in this stand forever and I thought it was concrete. Now the way them cuts have gone on, is that steel or concrete? Is there anyone in construction that can let me know what that actually is? Because I swore it was concrete, but I don't know. And I'm just having a good look around here, guys, make sure I've not missed anything. Well, I am missing stuff because that's nearly dismantled now, the red crane. The yellow crane's gone, and most of the sleepers it was on, they've gone. Oh, they've been taken down as well. So they were what were holding up the roof when it was getting cut. The props that were holding the roof up, okay, they've been taken down. What's that there? Oh, it's just a flatbed. Is it just a flat? Yeah, it's just is it a flatbed? It looks like it from here. If you can see something, guys, that I've missed, because I'm just having a quick scan around here, you know, on a bigger screen, you can see a lot more on a bigger screen. Anyone on the roof to nose at? I think there's some here. Still working on that hatch thing there, which people saying that it's to give people access to the roof to do maintenance for them solar panels and stuff like that I mentioned yesterday. The big yellow crane is still up, and now that big orange one's up as well. Don't know what that one's called, don't know what weight it is. Okay, so I'm going to come around this way. I want to stay away from the cranes. Come right out and have a little nose down here. That was lifted in yesterday, which most will know anyway, because Mr. Drone and Craig's Adventures caught it. So if you want to see that getting lifted, I think Mr. Drone got really good. He got really good footage of it. So give his video a little look if you want to see that going in, because it was impressive the way it went in. It's all sped up, so it's yeah, it probably took about an hour to lift up, but he's sped up, and it takes minutes to watch. That's the beauty of editing. It's not as boring for you lot. That's been taken apart now. That was the fabricator, am I right? God, I'm not half picking up words here. This is kind of new, yeah. Does anyone know? It's just yeah, they got to see on your side. It's just because it's white, it looks different. Okay. So yeah. Right. One more thing as well, I think this is what people mention, something's going on in the main stand, which I keep seeing but keep forgetting to mention. What's going on here? Why is that covered up? Does anyone know? I don't know why such a small section would be covered up. Get back around here. I don't think there's much more to look at now. So I'll be back tomorrow. I've got a special shout out for someone tomorrow, so keep a listen for that one. So yeah, it's not much more to look at now on the outside here. but I'll concentrate more on the outside again than I do on the inside tomorrow, just so we get all bases covered and keep everyone happy. So as always, look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.